everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So we're going to be sharing with you our meals of the week. So today is Tuesday, May the 14th, and here's what we're having for dinner. We're doing the easy chili from the Southern Keto cookbook. So we just did this in the crock pot. I had a little bit of cheese. I've already mixed it in because I almost forgot to film it, just like I forgot to film last night's dinner. So this is what we had last night. We had the creamy broccoli and ground beef casserole from the Southern Keto cookbook, and that was lovely. This was a so delicious meal. Oh my word, it was really so good. And if you watch my keto collab video that I did last Friday, we had a little bit of that spinach and artichoke dip left. We mixed it in with this. It did not need it at all, but this was just so extra yummy and delicious. And then Sunday night, we had our friend over, and we had crock pot Mississippi roast and cauliflower mashed potatoes. So yummy. So anywho, this is what we're having for dinner. The chili is, anyway, as we're working on homeschool, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Okay everybody, it is Wednesday, May the 15th, and this is what we're having for dinner. We're having the Nashville hot chicken again. It's one of our favorites. And over here, this is minced cauliflower, I'm pretty sure, with some bacon in it and an egg. And I just drizzled some of the Nashville sauce over it and the chicken. And that's what we're having for dinner.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. And today we are having a new favorite called
Beef and broccoli
casserole. So I need a little help there, y'all. It's delicious, but I still can't remember its name. I have some pralines in the oven, which will probably be me and Mom's dessert. Alon doesn't like nuts, but, well, that means more for me. But there's broccoli, and Alon pre-cooked the meat and put the cheese on top. So that's what we're having for dinner. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. And either we'll see you tomorrow or this is the end of the vlog.
Hey everybody, welcome back. So tonight is Sunday, May the 19th, and here's what we're having for dinner. I forgot to show you my plate, but I'll show you this. So we are doing a meatloaf, and this is a mixture of beef and pork from those deals I have been getting. Then we're doing the zucchini au gratin here, and then mashed cauliflower. We also have a chicken from Costco, but this is what we are having for dinner. Alright everybody, so tonight is Monday night, May 20th, and we are in these cooking streets out here. We did the keto sausage ball recipe. We have not done this in quite a long time, but we were trying to have some breakfasts ready ahead because we have to feed my mom before I leave for work, and I didn't want to put a lot of work on the kids doing things. So we went ahead and made the sausage balls. We also did some bagels. We did regular bagels and we did cinnamon sugar. We did some bacon ahead. And then for dinner tonight, we are having some cheddar broccoli soup. And I use the Southern Keto's cookbook recipe. And actually, I had grated up some zucchini, and it actually was like zucchini mush. So I froze it, and when I was ready to make this, I actually just added it in. and it's going to give some depth to the soup. So there it is for zucchini, broccoli, cheddar soup. And then we also did the Southern Keto's cornbread. So that is what we're having for dinner, cornbread and the soup. My mom will probably eat the sausage balls. She doesn't like vegetables. So anywho, that's what we're having for dinner, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Hey everybody, welcome back. So tonight is Monday night. No, tonight is Tuesday night, May 21st, and we are having breakfast for dinner. It is 9:48. We're just getting in from band practice. We leave the house fairly early. We have a late Tuesday night, so we're just having some scrambled eggs, a couple of things of bacon. I've got sausage balls and a bagel, and I'm hungry because I haven't eaten since 2 o'clock this afternoon. And I hate to eat really heavy the night before I do my weigh-in because I do Wellness Wednesday, but I'm going to eat this. I'll eat as much of it as I can because I'm absolutely 100% starving. I'm editing videos and watching a video, but I am going to eat this and call it a day, and we will see you guys tomorrow night. Alrighty, you guys, so somebody thinks they're gonna get some of this food, but they ain't. Leave it alone. So tonight for dinner, it is Wednesday night, May 22nd, and we are having crock pot chicken. We put one of those whole chickens in the crock pot, Alana did, and then we took it out after it was done baking and put it under the broiler for just a few minutes to crisp up that skin. We just did a little salt and pepper seasoning, and then a little bit of butter, and I think some Italian dressing. No, we didn't put Italian dressing on it, just some butter, and let that go on low for a long time. And then here we're doing a radish, cauliflower, rice, bacon mixture. I started off with just radish and bacon, but it wasn't full enough, so I just threw some cauliflower in there. Next time I'll do some mushrooms or something, but it's late and we were trying to get a meal on because it is 8:30, and we had lots of errands and things. So this is what we're having for dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow night.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. And don't mind the noise, it's just Grandma Susie's oxygen thing. This is leftovers from dinner. We have sausage and cabbage which Mom fried up in a pan and put some seasoning on it. And then she also made the biscuits which we had with that. And she made this marmalade jam. Well, she put substitute brown sugar with marmalade, and it tasted really good. So that's what we had for dinner. I'm sorry for the noise if you can't hear. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Hey everybody, so tonight is my mom's birthday. Beauty is over here eating her meal here at Applebee's. So the kids and my mom are sharing mozzarella sticks, and then we got the chips and cheese, and Jackson has Asian wings, and then Alana has some kind of buffalo wings, and I just had a Caesar salad. I'm sorry that I'm showing you my plate, but I just ate a Caesar salad. I am not having any of this other stuff, but that's what they're having. I just had a Caesar salad, and then we will show you our dinner when it comes out. Okay, you guys, so I'm having this is supposed to be the 3-cheese chicken penne pasta, but I asked if they could not give me pasta and just give me broccoli, and so they were able to do that. And then they brought it without any sauce, and I had this queso dip sauce, so I just used that on here. Then they brought me a little bit of Alfredo sauce. I'm sure there's probably lots of carb, some carb in that, but it was only 2 for $20, and I was sharing with Jackson. This is the best I could have got on my options. Jackson got a classic cheeseburger. Alana got chicken parm. Shamika got pasta.
3 cheese.
And then Beauty over there got chicken tenders and mashed potatoes. So this is what we are having for dinner.